Meaning of fashion conscious.
Fashion conscious.
Fashion conscious.
Fashion conscious.
Fashion conscious. Fashion conscious means being aware and knowledgeable about the latest trends and styles in fashion, and making an effort to dress in a way that reflects current fashion trends. People who are fashion conscious tend to follow fashion blogs, read fashion magazines, and keep up with the latest fashion shows and events. They often spend time and money on clothing, accessories, and beauty products in order to stay current with the latest fashion trends. Being fashion conscious can be a hobby or an important aspect of one's personal brand or professional image.